this video, I will guide you how to fix wireless charging not working on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart devices, click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. Scroll down and click on wireless power, click on charging settings and enable fast wireless charging. After enable fast wireless charging, go back to home screen. You will see problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to end and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.